Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Today is January 16th, and we are about to hike Acatenango, which is a volcano here in Guatemala, and it's
a 12-mile hike.
Yeah, so we get there, we're about to leave, we get there, and then we hike for 5 hours straight up, and then we get to base camp, and we camp in base camp, wake up at
like 2 in the morning.
2 or 3 in the morning, and then summit the actual volcano and see sunrise, and then come back down. And it's gonna be like a total of like 20 hours.
People have said that this is the hardest thing they've ever done.
We're in extremely high altitude.
Extremely high altitude.
So might throw up.
And
we're really excited.
Yeah, what else? They said it's all uphill for like the first like 7 hours.
And not even like just uphill like trail, like
it's like climbing.
It's sand too.
Yeah. She said it's like gravel and it's like climbing your way up for hours on end, and then you get to the top, and then we should see eruption, like a volcano eruption.
Yeah, we're gonna see Fuego volcano erupt. It erupts all the time, and you can see like literally the lava spewing out.
Yeah.
So we'll make sure to get that for you guys.
That's what I'm looking forward to the most. That's like what I'm doing all of before. Like I have to keep that in my head as I'm going up. Just like you're gonna see an actual volcano eruption. Not a lot of people get to see that in their life.
I sprained my ankle 2 weeks ago, and it really hurts. So if I don't make it down, my boss told me that she would come here herself, bring me back to life, just so she could kill me again, because she'd be so mad because she told me not to do this. Rachel, if you're seeing this, I'm sorry. All right,
that's it.
Talk to you guys on the mountain. So we're on the bus going to
Acatenango. We're all very nervous, and we did everything we could to prep for this.
I drank coffee instead of water this morning.
She didn't. I did. I did everything I could to prep. I drank like 2 things of water. I ate my vegetables. The bathroom multiple times, so I don't have like anxious anxiety. Probably hyping ourselves up so much, which is good because then maybe it won't
so
like meet expectations.
How you guys feeling?
Chilling. She has headphones in.
You're chilling?
So, yeah.
All right. How you guys feeling back here?
What did the right eye say to the left eye?
And that's the end of that.
Between you and me, something smells.
Oh, that's not what I needed.
Content right there.
Hello. So we are, how long?
Like 20 minutes in.
20 minutes in. Can't breathe, but it's great.
I don't feel too bad right now.
This is our view right now. Okay, this is our view. It's a little cloudy. It's a lot cooler. You just can't really see it. So my food bag already broke. Thanks. Gavin's saving me and put it in his bag because there's no room in my bag. But it broke. And
I sound so dumb.
It's great. I'm like, we're at this little market. Everyone's doing good. Gavin, how do you feel?
I feel fine.
Yeah?
Chilling.
It's good? Good. Yeah, I'm having to pee a lot. But
1:30.
good stuff. Hey guys, so this is where we're at. Really straight up. I don't know if you can see. Literally, like, you slide down. It's kind of crazy. So, wish us luck. Whoa! Oh my god. Yeah! Alright. Stairs!
We need like one of those leashes.
You did it! I'm here! Alright, we just stopped for lunch.
It was delicious.
How many hours are we in? We're like 3.
I really don't know.
2.5, 3
I can't
hours?
even remember what day it is. I was like, it's Friday. Then I was like, it's Sunday.
It's Saturday.
It's Saturday.
So we're like 3 hours in, straight up the entire way, very steep, steepest hike I've ever done in my life, literally ever. We just stopped for lunch. There was chicken, rice, and cucumbers, bread. Didn't eat the chicken because, you know, vegetarian, vegan problems, whatever. So funny, so quirky.
That was like so crazy of me to do that.
I know.
Like,
how dare I? You're doing really well so far. You doing meat?
Duh.
That's
Great.
it.
crazy.
Cool. All right.
We put it on to Vinny. He's just like, it's good.
I brought 4 liters of water and I've already drank 2. And we're 3 hours in.
That's how much I've drinking.
I think I've drank 2. I drank some on the bus though. Eden, how you doing?
Very good.
I went back there. All right. Talk to you guys later.
Like,
We just made it
downtime
till
between you waking up and you hiking.
what? 4 hours? 3.5 hours in?
Yeah, we're really close.
We just made it over the big elevation gain, I think. That's what they said. It's literally been straight up this entire way for 3.5 hours. Literally.
Yeah, now it's supposed to be flat.
Yeah, now it's
He said
supposed to be
happy.
flat.
He said a happy walk.
He said after this happy. This is our view. Can't really see much. We're like in the clouds, which is kind of cool. You can see them moving.
After like
Yeah, feeling good.
afternoon.
What I had for lunch was rice, bread,
So it's a lot safer.
and some trail mix.
But at night,
What I eat in a day?
What I eat in a day?
Volcano edition.
As a vegan, volcano edition. Everyone's doing great. Everyone's feeling great.
That's the case a lot. Like
So yeah.
China, which are
Alright guys, we made it. Made it to the top. It is insane. That over there is Volcano Fuego. And it just went off, it just erupted and it's like right there and the noise of it was so crazy. And magma literally just came out. So like it was smoke at first and then rocks that are 3 to 5 meters wide erupted out of it and we saw it all. So I'm gonna try to catch that again. So we're camping tonight. Some more people up there. We are literally above the clouds. Oh, it's about to go again. There you go. Do you hear it? I don't even know if you can see it, but it just erupted again. It is currently 4:22, so we did that hike in 4.5 hours. I think like 5. We stopped and took like a 30-minute lunch break, which I already talked about, but I was really concerned about eating chicken because I'm really trying to do like vegetarian, and then I was just gonna do it, but honestly I didn't want it and I feel great. I feel really good. Here's Gowan. I am feeling the altitude a little bit, so it should be interesting because right now it's 4:22 and then we wake up and we go to sleep at like 8 or 9 if we can't even fall asleep, and then we wake up around 3 in the morning and summit 2 more hours to the top, and that's where we summit, and then we'll watch the sunrise, drink hot chocolate. We're gonna literally be above the world, it's gonna feel like, and I'm so excited. It looks so far away, but it's really not, but that is the top of Volcano Fuego. Good morning. It is 4 in the morning. We barely slept last night. I don't think anyone slept last night. It is time to summit the volcano that we have been climbing.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll see some amazing views at sunrise. It's so cold.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
And everybody has like a trillion layers on.
I can't even by a fire right now.
Yeah.
And the moment that we
get up
is just gonna be game over. We have gloves. We have coats though.
I'm wearing so many
like,
clothes that I like cut off all the circulation in my body.
Yeah. My foot, I couldn't even get up to go pee because my foot hurt so badly. So that should be interesting. The hike today is like another 1,000 feet. I'm so tired of elevating.
It's all uphill.
It's literally all uphill again.
2 hours.
Yeah, so
Oh my god.
it's gonna be interesting, but apparently the views are so worth it. So we're really excited for that. So see you up there. Well guys, very windy. We made it. It is, what time is it? 6? It's 6 a.m. We did it. We did it. Not gonna lie, the ending was very hard. See it with that right there? Is Fuego, the volcano, and we're about to watch it. If you ever wondered how you get down a volcano, you ski or snowboard.
Should I go
Dad?
first? Dad.
You can't really see, but it is straight down. The only way you can get down is skiing, literally. Vail back bowls have nothing on me, you know?
Well, we made it down. Now we're on the bus. Going back to the Selena. Everyone is so tired. And we'll probably go back to the Selena, get lunch, crash for about like 5 hours because we're all dying. The way down was really hard. It took us it was like 3 hours to get down. It usually takes me 2.5 when I sprained. So it started really hurting on the way down because it was so strained. So, yeah, it took me a lot longer. I was struggling, but we did it. I'm so excited to say that we did it.
And we made it back!
We made it back! In one piece,
I know.
surprisingly.
Very surprising.
It's definitely the hardest hike of my life, but so rewarding and worth it.
So if anyone is trying to go, it is the best hike and the worst hike.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so now we are probably just gonna go get some dinner. We are so exhausted. We've been up since 4 in the morning and summited this morning.
Like
I keep forgetting that.
we were at the top of a volcano hours ago.
That's crazy. So we're gonna pass out early and just kind of chill out for the rest of the day.
Yeah, such a good day.
Yeah, well, thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
And comment.
I can't with you.
Bye.